Bojangles, and he danced with you with the worn out shoes, silver hair and dirty shirt and baggy pants. He danced the old soft shoe. He jumped so high, he jumped so high, and he lightly touched down. I met him in a cell down in New Orleans. Down and out I was. He looked at me to have the eyes of age. He talked right out. He talked of life. He talked of life. And he slapped his heels, his stamps. This is your bit. Let me get it up. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, won't you dance? He said I danced at minstrel shows and public fairs throughout the South. He talked in tears of the 15 years his dog and he, they traveled about. The dog up and died. He